I just didn't want to say it.
What's up, guys? My name's Joe. Welcome to my 2005.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my new Minecraft tutorial. Today we're going to be using the 2005 Subaru Minecraft mod.
I actually just started playing Minecraft like a month ago.
I started playing it again too.
Well, for the first time. No.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, I probably have so many hours on that game. It's probably the game I have the most hours on. For sure.
This is my 2005 WRX that I always say can take out Christian's Evo.
Oh yeah, all the time. I've never seen his Evo even close to the front of my car. Always at the back. Did you go to that?
Yeah. So that's the proper technique.
Wrong. It shouldn't be that tight.
No, it shouldn't.
That's what I'm thinking. I don't think we're being stupid. I'm pretty sure it's lefty loosey.
You have a key to your car?
Yeah.
That's why I was like, yeah, I don't want to try this. It's gonna. Oh. God damn! I don't know what.
I was gonna say Mikey's not a vlogger.
I was taking. So I was sorry for taking a video of the brakes.
You know what's funny?
What? Huh?
That is not the right. No, it is the right key.
I was gonna say, those are my keys. I only have this car.
Some Joe, he's funny. Every time I'm filming it,
Funny looking. Oh! So it is
It smells
true.
like mine. It's weird.
They all smell the same. It's like if you leave them sitting for a week, it comes back.
It smells exactly like my STI did.
That's the right bolt. Like, there's no way I'm just on something stupid. I'm not on some stupid shit.
I don't know. I hate to tell you this, but if it's this hard to take off, it's probably cross-threaded.
Cross-threaded? That's fucking good.
Oh!
The good part is that these brakes were not fucked, so we can leave these the way they were.
No! Holy shit!
Yeah.
Oh yeah! That's messed up YouTube content.
So you don't buy Subaru.
So this is the new STI motor. Pretty much same motor.
I wasn't looking.
Yeah, so it's either this or the A7R3.
I can't believe you losers didn't go support Spencer at the Rose Bowl.
I needed brakes. How am I supposed to get the right brakes?
Oh, I
Mike
said
doesn't
I
have
was
brakes
gonna.
either.
Are you Christian?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
No, he's Catholic.
Why is it
Oh!
you're doing it? Why is Christian
Well, because
doing all
He's
the work?
stronger.
Mikey and I both tried, and we've given up, and he's just like, I'll do it. You know, he did the big mock.
You know, sometimes if you want it done it right.
Yeah, exactly.
Done right.
Oh, this is crazy. We're jacking up a. We're,
This off. Oh,
this is the epitome of. Just walk in the shot. That's great.
Shut up, move.
Actually, I want it lower on that end. The end of
Over
the
on
edge.
there.
Why don't you just do it on the head?
That's what I'm trying to do, but the dirt here is
Yeah, it's
bad placement. It'll probably make a loud sound if it works. I really don't want to see the car lifting up. Like if
the car lifts up, that's gonna be hilarious.
it's gonna snap it's gonna snap the bolt and it's gonna be stuck in there.
Yeah.
I really don't want to go any higher than that already.
That's a lot.
That's fine.
Oh,
What do we do?
okay. I'm gonna stand farther back. Oh,
Higher than that.
What was that? With the wrench.
I don't know.
That's
I
something.
think it was slipping on the.
Yeah, I think you're right.
okay. So
All right. Well,
this is how this side looks currently, and
Why is that like that? Thing?
this is how this side looks.
Just with the bolt.
So we're
Have you ever done the brakes?
making moves.
Wait, so this is a JDM EJ
Yeah, this is a JD.
205. Sell it to me. Sell the car.
The whole car?
4K.
4K? Damn.
Should have got a
Sounds like a good
207.
If I knew I was gonna go back to work, I would have STI swapped it. Is that a bad idea?
Yeah.
Bad idea?
I would just get the STI.
Yeah, I would just sell it and get an STI.
Why does that tire look so good and that one look like crap?
Because that's a new
That's the
tire
new
and that's an
tire.
old tire. Good answer.
Yeah, that's
You
not.
get one new tire?
Yeah, because that one was actually, that one looked like, that one but worse. And then I'm just like,
You didn't buy them in pairs?
no, because I thought I was gonna get a new suspension and blah 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 blah. I thought I was gonna get wheels
How
because
much was
someone
that
lied
new
to
tire?
me. It was like $80
So that's kind of bad for all-wheel drive cars.
with just one other tire.
Yeah.
Shows you how much I
You have a
fucking know.
spare?
Yeah, I got a spare. It's a donut.
You need better sway bars.
Shut up.
Well, I mean suspension, sorry. I think you broke it.
Bro, you're not even low. Relax. Just drop it down.
That's fucked, dude. That's kind of fucked up. You're gonna make me go into my room, grab
Wait, how much
$4,000?
space did he have? How much space?
I could do it without the bricks, dude. 100%. 100% I need the bricks. Look at the clearance. Stop. Stop. Why am I getting bullied in my own house? That's fucked up, dude. Get his dicks.
Alright, thanks. I'm gonna drive.
Say less.
Oh god, I'm gonna ride your clutch. No, we're good. Oh god. Okay, Subaru's power band's so different. I forgot about that. Subarus are at the top end. I was like giving it gas at 3K and like nothing was happening. I was like, what? Because the Evo's peak torque is at 4,000.
Really?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
It's all mid-range on the Evos. These are all top end.
Damn, Joe, you drive like a bitch.
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, top end, I keep forgetting. This car makes enough power.
I feel like, yeah, but I'd like to go a little faster. You never have too much speed.
I think your suspension will make you go faster. And your
Yeah.
tires, which are crying right now. Yeah, there they are. There they are.
They're working.
No,
Kinda.
don't worry. I got you.
I just warming it up. Warming up the tires.
Warming up the ball tires.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, I missed the sound, but yeah, that's a good noise.
I want one.
You want one, Mikey? Give me
I
one,
want a
Mikey.
Hawkeye.
No, it's the
Just kidding,
brake.
that's rubber.
Those are the brakes.
No, it's definitely the pads.
Yeah. Fresh pads.
Yeah, I smell them now. Those are the pads. Yeah, that was the first time I really got on the brakes. It was on that little.
You gotta break them in a little.
No, I was gonna take my Evo here tonight, but I didn't finish waxing it. And I didn't want to like drive it half clayed and polished but not waxed, because then I would have to redo that shit. So yeah, it's just in the garage. Yeah. Probably finish it tomorrow or something. Actually, no, I won't. I don't know when I'll finish it. I need to work on the Miata.
Well, what are you gonna do with the Miata?
The rear bushings on the driver's side are completely blown out and the alignment's fucked, and it kind of sways around a little bit. So I need to replace those bushings. It's not that bad though. Or it's not that hard. So I'm almost positive I found out what the problem on the Miata is. And then just before we start, I want to document that the distance from the edge of the side skirt to the edge of the rim right here is 4 3/8 of an inch right now. So the wheel off and the rear of the car lifted off the ground. You can see the issue now. So all 4, or actually I guess 3, of the upper control arm bushings are blown out on this car. So there's one here, there's another one back here, and then there's another one on this side. But you can see like there's a gap there that's kind of formed. That should not be like that. It should be completely flush. It's really obvious on this guy. Yeah, that should not be like that. So I'm going to take that rear control arm off, and then I actually have an energy suspension bushing kit. I don't know how much of it I'm going to use. This is a bushing kit for the entire rear control arm assembly for both sides, upper and lower. Yeah, so there's a pretty good amount of bushings here with the middle pins and then some grease. I know I'm definitely going to do that arm right now, but bushings are not fun, so we'll see how many I get done. But yeah, as far as I know I'm just going to be doing the rear driver's side upper for now, just to fix that issue. It's also not very fun to do and doesn't really make for good content, so yeah, I don't know. As far as actually doing it, it's all 14mm stuff, so I grabbed a 14mm ratchet with a 14mm socket on a ratchet, ratcheting wrench, and a 14mm regular wrench. Yeah, all these nuts and bolts are all 14mm on the upper control arm. See, this is the control arm, and now with it off the car, you can kind of get a better look at it. Like I said earlier, these should be flush, and that should be flush, so these bushings gotta go. So before we started this, I believe I said the number from the side skirt to the lip of the wheel was 4 3/8 of an inch. Well, that is now 4 5/8 of an inch. So it pushed the wheel back about a 1/4 inch. I was getting some numbers, checking the other side. It's still about a 1/4 inch more forward than the passenger side, but again, it moved a 1/4 inch back, so it's now a lot closer. Again, I only did the top bushings, or on the driver's side rear upper control arm bushings, those 3. There's still the lower ones, which are worn out, but not blown out like the top ones were. So I'm going to do those eventually, and then I'll do the other side too, just to even it out. But yeah, just by doing those 3 upper bushings, it definitely helped a lot. And it moved the wheel back considerably. Not perfect yet, but yeah, definitely a lot better now.